Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14 and in this video I am going to show you how to update and install drivers on this laptop. So, first of all, let's start with the most essential updates. Go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and in Settings search for Windows Update section that is located at the very bottom of the settings list. And here check for updates by clicking this button right here and see if you have any updates that need to be installed. And if you're looking for advanced updates, go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and see if you have any driver updates here. And if you do, hit the checkbox next to them and click Download and Install. As you can see, this is a update preview, so you don't need this update. Unless you want to test the beta version of Windows 11. Let's check if the Windows update found any updates, and I can see that it didn't. Okay, so right now let's go to the advanced driver updating. Open your web browser and search engine, and then search for HP Support Assistant, because this is the program that we're gonna be using. It's much more convenient this way. So open the official support.hp.com website that says HP Support Assistant, scroll down and then hit this icon to start downloading HP Support Assistant 9. Wait until the program is fully downloaded, the installation file, of course, I'm sorry. Then open the installer by clicking on it. At this point you can close your browser, then wait until it starts running and click yes to begin the installation process. Once you see the window on your screen, I guess you'll have to wait for a couple of seconds. If the application didn't start running, you can go to Downloads and then run this file again. Okay, right now let's click yes, then next, then accept the license agreement to continue. Of course, read it first, then click next. Then if you want to save your files in a specific folder, you can change the directory by clicking change and selecting the folder that you need your files to be installed in. Click next, and then just wait until the installation process is finished. Okay, once the process is finished, you can click close, and then let's run this application by clicking HP Support Assistant icon on the desktop if the application doesn't start running by itself. Now you're gonna have to either create an account or sign in by clicking this icon right here. So click on it, and then you'll be redirected to the website where you can either create an account by clicking create account, then entering your first, last name, email address and password, or if you already have an account, you can input the username here and then either use your password to sign in or use the sign in code that will be sent to your email. Now I'm gonna use this option because it's more convenient for me. I cannot keep all these passwords in my head, unfortunately. So select send this code. Now the code will reach your email and you're gonna have to enter it into this field. So give me a moment. Okay, so right now let me enter this this code that I received on my email. Then press sign in and wait until we are signed in, and then to get redirected back to the app, click open. Now select yes to be kept signed in. If you want to show contact and warranty options, hit this checkbox right here, and if you want to share your usage data with HP, you can hit the checkbox right here. Then click improve my experience. I'm not sure if it's gonna improve your experience, but surely you will get much less pop-ups if you hit these checkboxes. I'm not sure if it's worth it, but you can decide for yourself. Now, well, still we got some pop-ups. Let's skip it for now. And now what you have to do is select this icon right here, and once you select it, hit Software and Drivers tab, then wait for this application to check for driver updates, and if you do have any, you'll be able to select which ones you want to install. Unless you want to install them all, then just hit install all updates drivers app. But okay, as you can see, I have two drivers, which one is the Bluetooth driver and the one is the WLAN driver update. In order to download and install them, let's hit the checkboxes next to them, then click download and install, and then wait until they are installed. Okay, and once the drivers are installed, you will be notified. As you can see, both drivers were installed successfully, and if you need to restart your PC after that, you will also be notified in this program. Now, that's basically it. Now your system is fully up to date, all the drivers are updated. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.